Hey guys, this is CoBuystedt over at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you the 2.6 BHSS North Trail travel trailer. So if you come over here, here's your King Kong storage. Super spacious, fit everything you need. I don't know, like 6 suitcases. You got this extendable jacks from a switch. So no more cranks. You don't have to do that thing. And then coming on back here, you do have this outdoor kitchen area. You got these burners. You got a refrigerator right here. A refrigerator. Sink right there. So another thing about these rigs, you notice the wheels are kind of partially spread apart a little bit more than usual. And that's because when one is closer to the hitch, it takes a lot more hitch weight off of your truck. So that's just kind of one of those features that kind of are nice. Got the nice solid steps right here. Now coming on up into the rig, here's your layout. Makes a lot of sense. Probably one of the better bunkhouses for the length, in my opinion. So you got a couch right here. Got a TV right here. This TV does come out and face the couch if you want it to. And then there's your entertainment center right there. You get some cubbies, some shelves. You get a fireplace and the stereo right there. And then over here, here's your booth. So this table does come down and make into a bed. So you can have a third bed here because you have 2 back there. These beds are wider. They're not those tiny little skinny ones for just little 10-year-old kids. You'll probably fit a teenager very, very well right there. And then here's your pantry storage. Super great. And right here you got your refrigerator. And then on here is your kitchen. Now headed up to the bedroom. Close these. If you come up to the bedroom, so here's the thing, everybody wants a full walk around bed. This is kind of, but look, you're squeezing, see? Now the way that they do it to try to make it to where people like full walk around beds because you can access your side of the bed easily. You don't have to crawl over here and go over there. So they gave you 2 doors so you can just walk around your bed just from this side. So the reason that they give you 2 doors is it helps you get a smaller bedroom, thus equaling a whole smaller trailer in general. The whole thing is smaller. And yeah, your smaller bedroom works because you can still access from both sides. That is a king-sized mattress. You do have some shirt closets on the sides there and this little drawer area up above that cabinet I meant, up above your bed. There is power. One of the things I love about the bedroom as well is, check this out. This closet spot doesn't go all the way down to the bed level. So you have all this is open. You can put stuff there, and you can notice there's a USB charger and a wall plug right there as well. So you can put your phone there at night. You can put your cups there if you're gonna have a drink waiting for you in the middle of the night. Get a little storage spot right here as well. We got the side mounted heat ducts instead of sticking them in the floor. So that's nice. You don't have to clean out your grates on the ground. Here's the bathroom. It is not a corner shower, so you get a little bit more room that way. Still get a side-mounted heat duct in there. I think the last thing right here, you do have this cubby hole. And you notice that goes about that far. Perfect for all the shoes. I guess, of course, I could show this right here, too. Goes all the way to the slide-out wall. If it's hard for you to reach there, you can lift the cushion. And you can pull this piece of wood up and just access it from the top. Makes it a lot easier to reach into the back or organize or get to your stuff like that too. So if you have any questions about this rig, you can just reach out to me. My name is CoBuystedt once again. My phone number is 541-735-1535. Thanks for watching.